Welcome back, plant lovers. Today we're introducing the breathtaking Angel Wing Sophia Begonia, a striking plant with uniquely shaped leaves and vibrant blooms that will add elegance to any indoor or outdoor space. The Angel Wing Begonia is a hybrid species first developed in the late 1920s by plant breeder Eva Kenworthy Gray. The Sophia variety is a unique cultivar of begonia, celebrated for its glossy, speckled leaves and cluster of vibrant flowers. Originally from South America, these begonias thrive in warm, humid conditions, making them a staple in tropical gardens and indoor plant collections alike. Angel Wing Sophia Begonia features stunning, elongated, wing-shaped leaves with a deep green hue and silvery speckles. The undersides of the leaves often have a reddish tint, adding to their dramatic appeal. During the blooming seasons, these begonias produce cascading clusters of bright pink to red flowers, creating a spectacular contrast against the foliage. Angel Wing Sophia Begonias prefer bright and direct light. Too much direct sunlight can scorch the leaves, while too little may reduce flowering. Use a well-draining peat moss potting mix with added perlite or sand to prevent the root rot. Keeping the soil consistently moist, but avoid overwatering, allowing the top inch of the soil to dry before watering again. It thrives in temperatures between 65 and 75 degrees Fahrenheit. High humidity is beneficial, making it a great choice for bathrooms or greenhouses. Feed with a balanced liquid fertilizer every 2 weeks during the growing season for optimum growth and blooming. Regularly pinch back stems to encourage bushier growth and remove any leggy or damaged foliage. Angel Wing Begonias pair beautifully with other shade-loving, humidity-loving plants. Consider growing them alongside ferns, caletheas, or peace lilies to create a lush tropical display. Their vibrant flowers also contrast well with plants that have darker foliage, such as purple shamrock. One unique trait of Angel Wing Sophia Begonia is its ability to adapt to different growing conditions. While it flourishes indoors as a potted plant, it can also thrive in shaded outdoor gardens. Additionally, with proper care, this begonia can bloom multiple times a year, adding year-round beauty to your space. This begonia is primarily an ornamental plant, prized for its stunning foliage and long-lasting. It makes a perfect centerpiece for indoor spaces, patios, or shaded garden beds. Additionally, angel wing begonias are also excellent air purifiers, helping to improve indoor air quality while beautifying your home. And that's everything you need to know about growing and caring for the Angel Wing Sophia Begonia. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more plant care tips. Thanks for watching. Happy growing.